Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft has announced a price for extended support of Windows 10. So we had heard that they would actually give us up to 3 years of extensions, but they have only announced the price for 1 year right now. So of course, in a year from now, end of support is going to be the big problem for a lot of people on Windows 10, as no more updates are going to happen after that. And there is now extended support, of course, that for the first time will happen on consumer PCs too. Microsoft has announced that the price to extend for 1 year is $30. So that means that if you want to continue using your PC with Windows 10 for another year, $30 will be the price, which I think is not that bad, considering you get another year of Windows 10. I will be paying for it on this PC if needed. And what I mean by that is it will depend on how much do I still need a Windows 10 PC at that point, and for the videos and all of that. But $30 I think is an okay price. We don't have the details of the other years. They really just mentioned 1 year, and they say that the program of extension will be available as Windows 10 end of support gets near. So that means that for now, they just announced the $30 for a year. We'll have all the details of how to pay and how it works as we get close next year. So it's not yet available. For business, it is open now since today, November 1st. But for consumers, that will be sometime next year. So how many of you will pay $30 for a full year of extended support? That'll be interesting to see. Interesting that they are not saying $30 per year for 3 years. Will they be changing the price every year? What's going to happen? Are they just looking at, we're going to extend 1 year and we'll see what happens from there, if it's worth extending another year or not? Maybe they're going to look at, the market share and decide at that time. So $30, what do you guys think about that? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.